Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Nvidia control panel display missing or not showing. For that you have to tap on the Windows button from the bottom options. Then you have to go to the settings option. From the left portion you'll be able to see many options. Tap on the apps button. Now tap on the installed apps. Now from the search box you can search for Nvidia. Here it is, I'm searching for Nvidia. So you can see that Nvidia application will be appeared here. So Nvidia control panel, here it is. Now at the right portion you can see three dot button. Just tap on the three dot button. Now tap on the advanced option, scroll down until you find the option repair or reset. Just tap on the reset button and reset. Okay, that's it. Now you have to just restart your computer and obviously it will be shown after that. And if this tutorial helped you, subscribe to my channel and like this videos.